Hey there, just trying to get situated here again. I've noticed a lot of people asking about how to do different things, how to get started, and I thought I would share some of the books that help me with art journaling specifically, though I tend to mix up a lot of techniques no matter where the art ends up. But the Art Journal Workshop by Traci was one that I used. She goes step by step for a lot of projects and is primarily working in a book that she, an old book that she adds gesso to, and so it's kind of an altered book turned journal. It comes with a DVD if you have a way to play that, though just full disclosure, mine didn't work, so I don't actually know what's on it. Visual Chronicles, I liked this one by Linda Woods and Karen Dinino. They give a lot of suggestions for like how to simplify, like if you have kids, it might not be so easy if you don't have a dedicated art space, but they give really good examples of ways to make it work. And a lot of times they're working on loose pages, and then they give an example later of how to do a box and have a place for all of your loose pages. So there are many ways to do art journaling, and that's a really cool way that they give examples. This one is wonderful. It's Artist Journal Pages, DeVries, Sokol. I'm sorry if I'm like butchering names there. These are pictures of pages, and they're for inspiration. And I love looking through this. Have loved, periodically just pull it out just to give yourself different ways of looking at things and remembering that there are many ways to go about art journaling. And then this one is Book Plus Art, Handcrafting Artist Books, and it is really how to make your own art journal. Gives a lot of different ways, an accordion book, and it doesn't have to be an art journal, but that's what I was thinking of using it. It has some gel print where you make your own gelatin plate or whatever that's called. Just another really interesting approach using old board games, or they're giving bindings. Yeah, here we go. It shows you how to sew things together, make the cover. Not something I've done personally, but I still really like the book. Gives a lot of different techniques. So I hope that's helpful. I hope they're still in print, or if they're not, then hopefully it inspires a search to find books that will work for you. Good luck.